Bulbous-beaked, plump and puny-winged, the dodo has been immortalized by humans in art, literature, and song. But while the peculiar animals have inspired a panoply of research, not least as to whether they were really bird-brained or as corpulent as portraits implied, much about the dodo's life has remained a mystery until now. Scientists studying remains of the extinct avians say they have managed to put flesh on the bones of the dodo's existence, revealing aspects of their life from when they laid eggs to how quickly they reached adulthood, and even that they shed and regrew their plumage each year. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. The dodo's annual cycle, including molting, egg laying and a period of arrested growth during the summer months, when cyclones and poor weather are common in Mauritius. Photograph, D. Angst et al. Scientific reports. Before our study, the only things we knew about the ecology of these birds was that they were a big pigeon, with a body mass of about 10 kilos, said Delphine Angst, a paleontologist and first author of the research from the University of Cape Town. Native to the island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean, the dodo was wiped out in the 17th century after the arrival of Dutch sailors, and the animals that came with them, with hunting, competition for food and habitat destruction, all contributing to the bird's demise. But, despite contemporary records, including those from one Thomas Herbert, who after dropping by Mauritius described the dodo in 1634 as having eyes like diamonds, her clothing downy feathers, her train 3 small plumes, short and improportionable, little is known about the birds, with most records far from scientific. Now researchers have managed to fill in some of the gaps. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. Thomas Herbert, who visited Mauritius in the mid-17th century, described the dodo as having eyes like diamonds. Photograph, the Natural History Museum, Lond. Writing in the journal Scientific Reports. Angst and colleagues from the Natural History Museum in London and Tring describe how they examined under a microscope thin cross-sections of 22 leg and wing bones, thought to be from 22 different dodos. The results reveal that, like the majority of modern birds, dodo bones have 3 layers of tissue. However, previous research in modern birds has shown that the outermost tissue is only found in adults. As soon as they achieve sexual maturity, the bone tissue develops very slowly, and we can see that in the cross-sections, said Angst. The finding proved illuminating.